Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly find voice messages you've shared with a friend on Telegram, this updated guide will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and clear way. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats without any issues. Once you're inside the app, head over to the chat where the conversation with your friend is stored. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find their name faster. After opening the chat, look at the top of the screen where your friend's name is displayed. Tap directly on their name to open the chat details page. This section gives you access to all shared content between you and that person, including media, files, links, and voice messages. Now, on the chat details screen, look toward the bottom area where different content categories are listed. Tap on the option labeled Voice. This will filter the conversation and show only the voice messages that have been sent in this chat. At this point, you'll see a list of voice messages exchanged between you and your friend. To explore older messages, simply scroll down through the list. Telegram organizes these messages in a clean and easy-to-browse format, so you can quickly locate the exact audio you're looking for. This feature is especially useful if you've shared important information through voice messages and don't want to scroll endlessly through the entire chat. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily view and manage all voice messages shared with any friend on Telegram.